Hey folks, this is Ernest Glenn, owner and founder of Topaz Cleaning and Restoration. We are your go-to source for all of your deep cleaning needs. From carpets to upholstery, from roofing to siding, to your driveways, we can clean it all. At Topaz, we like to do things the Texas style. That's taking care of you, our neighbors, and making sure things are done right the first time. I founded Topaz back in 2013 after more than a decade in the cleaning industry. I believe in bringing Texas true and honest integrity to our industry. We are Texas born and bred, homegrown, and believe today in the honest handshake. Let us show you how to take care of your home and your family with a Texas style service.